This is David, Kilo 4, Mike November Delta in Clearwater, Florida, with my dad Raymond here, and we're getting ready to break ground on my tower, my 40-foot tower that I'll be installing. We're here in good old Clearwater, Florida. So here we go.
Here we go.
All right. Well, here we are. About an hour and a half, 2 hours later. We're about 36 inches deep here. I think we're gonna stop right about here. We're gonna go up a little bit. We're gonna build a frame around here, and it's gonna go about 6 inches higher than that. We did run into a little problem, but not too big of a problem. Sprinkler system. But we're gonna cut that. And we're gonna reroute it around the back side of the tower, or maybe the front. We'll see. But that's not gonna be a problem. Oh. So we're working on the rebar frame that's gonna go inside the hole. It's about 4 feet tall, and then we used 2 foot long rebar across the sides, and we got these wire ties here, and we're just gonna wrap the tie around and use this trusty tool here, and you're gonna pull while you spin around, and it's gonna lock it into place. And we got the frame here now, so this will go inside the hole, and we're gonna hammer it, mallet it down. So this is almost a little bit below, a couple inches below the top of the structure, the top of the base of the concrete. And then we're gonna put our bolts in the center that are gonna hold the base plate. We'll have to build a frame on top to keep the threaded rods free floating here. And then we're gonna pour it all concrete. And we'll see you in a day or two, because the truck's not coming today. It's gonna come maybe sometime next week. This is where we're at. All right. These are the templates for the base plate. Template for the base plate and our aft and forward support. All right. There we go. All right. The base plate. And we're gonna tilt the tower that way. I got about 25 feet till I hit that structure there. And that right there is going to be our aft support. Put a winch on that, and it'll lower the tower. Well, today's the day. Concrete truck is here, and we have the hardware in place. As you can see, the anchors are 12 inches long, and got just enough thread exposed. And a little dark in there, but you get the idea. You got the aft support back there, and then a forward support here. And we're gonna start pouring here. Here we go. We got all the concrete poured in there. I had to do it by wheelbarrow because the truck couldn't fit in here, but this is after day 1.
Damage the bed. I gotta bring the bed back.
So
You gotta bring the bed back.
This bracket's gonna be a reinforcement. We got the aft support with the winch up, and we got the rudder in. And for now we just put a little dual band Cubics beam up top until finish working on the Mosley sections. And we get the diplexer feeding it down to standoff to keep the coax from getting caught up. The rotor, Yaesu G800. Alright, we're back at it today, the tower project. We got all our support set up on the tower, all the new winches and everything, and new cables and the pulley systems to lift the top section, and for our locking mechanism to hold this top section up. Yaesu rotors installed, mast, and we have two sections of the Mosley TA53 on, and we bolted these two up, gonna tilt it up, rotate it, tilt it back down, and install the other two sections. KK4MND, Clearwater, Florida.